not only by reading and practice, by teaching, talking to people about this. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And friends, masters, today has been a great day because I think a year gap Sana has come to speak. Of course, he came as a visitor. And so let us take whatever he said, because he is a teacher by profession, and we just yesterday we had a great Teachers' Day happened. So and this time I saw one word I took out from the great thing is that gratitude.
Grace plus
attitude.
Very nice.
You take away that one liner itself, that's a great thing. And also yesterday I was listening to the Narendra Modi video on the YouTube. Amazing things he was talking, a nice concept. All these years, the parents who had the chance to speak to the students, they never used the concept, beautifully. And he was so humble and down to earth answers he gave. That's a greatness of, and whatever being projected of Narendra Modi, everything has gone flat now. Whatever people have projected, 100 days mein ye ho jayega, there's nothing happened like that. And what signals are very positive. And simple things he was talking. Electricity, how to save water. These are all attitudes again. Not nothing to do with as long as this kind of attitude changes, please. So he was talking about full moon also. Great. Nobody thought of a full moon using. Full moon can be used. Anybody has seen? Full moon. Please switch off for 1 hour. The whole city switch off and looks at the full moon and make a program. The whole unit, so much of electricity is saved.
Today.
Yeah.
So on that particular day, I used to tell to my neighbors, and they used to ridicule me. This is only symbolic, and it is not that it's going to give you anything. It is a symbolic gesture from us. Okay, 1 hour. So that's it. It is up to you to switch off or to double it yourself. It is up to you. So Narendra Modi ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಏನು she has completed her MSc in maths. ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಏನಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು, it's not that different. Okay, it's not that different. And then can you just elaborate it? And then she started to ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. But the way how it is projected is different. The way how it is projected is different. Because you are ready to continue for another 8 hours. Just eating, because you are not satisfied until otherwise you project it or you just say whatever you wanted to say. You are not happy. Somehow you are feeling that we are restricted. We may not be ready. So Adik, even 2 or 3 times you just ask us to stay back. Can I continue? Can I continue? It shows that it's coming from within. You are not here just because his invitation. You are here and you want to do justice for your presence here. That's wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful.
Thank you. So what I was saying is, so let us develop this graceful attitude, and let us bring certain alignments between inside and outside. That is what is about meditation. Okay? What we practice meditation is to bring alignments. See, alignments in the thoughts, feelings, behaviors, our actions and our speech should be in the same line. One should not in the heart. All should be in one line. Not one will clash with something else. Not I should save water, it should come out of within. It is not even a habit, it's a simple etiquette if you can develop. If that's your attitude is an etiquette. If you cannot, I may ride a X and X vehicle, I may live in an X and X house. That is nothing to do with me. I am living there. See, my son is my son, but I don't possess it. My daughter, I don't possess. They're not my autographically finished, autography finishing machines. They're separate. So in fact, my wife is an architect, I'm an engineer. We have a series of engineers and doctors, my sister. My daughter, you go for whatever, other than whatever we are doing. You don't have to take up whatever just because you are, so that's it. So maybe if you keep that, I have a car, but I don't possess it. I use my car, but I don't have to love my car. See, love people. See, we are doing the simple attitude. Love people, use things. What majority of the things are, we are loving things, we are using people. I think the simple attitudes like this, and also he said about the, I am not doing it, I am not the doer. There's some force which is making me to happen. 20 years is a very long time consistently doing this kind of program. So definitely I am not doing it. Somebody is there, some force is there. He is his plan, he is delivering it. So it's just I am accepting it, I am surrendered to that force. So maybe that's the reason we had a great time with Patriji, Pyramid founder, and also Manish said, the founder of the School of Ancient Wisdom. These are the institutes which I was very closely associated for the last 25 years. Okay? And Satsai institutions, Ramakrishna Ashram. So maybe they are all great institutions built by great people. And definitely, it's going to take a long way. We're going to take this torch. Always Manish used to talk of, you should be the torch bearers. Everybody sitting here should be the torch bearer. Okay. Be a torch bearer of goodness and happiness. Forget about, he said love, L-O-V. So all that, again working with words, let us leave all that. Let us bring that happiness and spread happiness and become torch bearers of happiness, and let us have any limit of, it is happiness unlimited. Okay? Let us seek happiness, spread happiness, and let us be happy inside first. Let us be happy with your own self, your own family, your own body, your own attitudes. So happiness is very much connected with around you. That is the aura we call it, and it spreads it. And tomorrow I am doing a workshop on Zen. Suri, if you want to come, you can come. Around 8:39 we will leave here. Okay, you can come here at Pyramid Valley. Okay.
What time will you be there?
You will be here by 9.
Okay.
Tomorrow I am doing a workshop on half a day workshop. Every first Sunday I do. And full moon is on 9th.
Tomorrow?
Tuesday. Okay. Tuesday, of course, that is after 7 o'clock. I think sir has come. Last week, the same program. And Prabhakar Murthy sir is going to speak on evolution of soul. And there's a music program. We will end at around 10:30. So I welcome for all this. I welcome for this 27th. Please now only book. Anyway, it's a Saturday. We'll not have a class here. We'll have a class in Institute of World Culture. And I spoke about Global Congress, Global Spiritual Congress. Okay, of GCSS we call it, the 7th edition. Please everybody make it a point to attend at least one day. Okay, I want Sanaji, everybody who is sitting here, please attend one day, if possible attend 4 days. I'll be there. And kind of environment you're going to have, amazing, and white environment, and you can move around, be in that atmosphere all the time. And so with this, Sanaji, we thank you very much for coming here. Come. A token of love from Pyramid and also. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And next week we have Saturday 5 o'clock. Thank you.
It will be the best gift.